how to turn on or turn off high contrast keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on General, Management, then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. From here, scroll down and then tap on high contrast keyboard. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, in here you can choose a different contrast keyboard. And that's it. And that is how you can change your Samsung high contrast keyboard. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.